Hey there, tech enthusiasts and farming innovators. Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, the ultimate channel where we bring you cutting-edge technology that transforms your everyday work. If you're a farmer, a gardening enthusiast, or someone looking to upgrade your agricultural game, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a game-changing innovation that will completely revolutionize your farming experience. The automatic grass cutter. Whether you're tired of manually cutting grass, struggling with overgrown fields, or simply looking to save time and effort, this smart solution is exactly what you need. Get ready as we explore how this futuristic device works, its amazing features, and why it's an absolute must-have for modern farming. Let's get started. The future of farming. Why you need an automatic grass cutter. Farming and landscaping have come a long way, thanks to advancements in agricultural technology. However, one persistent challenge remains: managing grass and weeds efficiently. Traditional methods like manual mowing, scythes, or fuel-guzzling lawnmowers are time-consuming, exhausting, and often costly. But what if there was a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to maintain your fields, gardens, and lawns? That's where the automatic grass cutter steps in, a revolutionary tool. Designed to cut grass effortlessly while saving you time, energy, and resources. Why should you upgrade? Saves time and effort. No more exhausting hours of manual labor. Cost-effective, reduces fuel, labor, and maintenance costs. Energy efficient, many models are electric or solar-powered, cutting down on emissions. Smart technology, equipped with AI sensors and automation for seamless operation. Eco-friendly, helps maintain a balanced ecosystem by cutting only necessary areas. How the automatic grass cutter works. So, how does this next-gen grass cutter actually work? The automatic grass cutter uses AI-driven navigation, GPS tracking, and powerful blades to detect and trim grass efficiently. Here's a breakdown of its key working mechanisms. AI-powered navigation. Modern automatic grass cutters come with smart sensors and AI algorithms that help them detect obstacles, navigate rough terrain, and avoid harming plants or animals. Self-charging and solar energy. Many models feature solar-powered systems or self-charging stations, meaning they can work autonomously without frequent human intervention. Precision cutting technology. Unlike traditional mowers, which cut unevenly, these machines use rotating blades, robotic arms, or laser-guided cutting to trim grass with high precision. GPS and smart mapping. With built-in GPS and mapping technology, the automatic grass cutter can be programmed to cover specific areas, ensuring no patches are left untrimmed while avoiding delicate zones. Remote control and automation. Some models can be controlled via mobile apps or voice commands, allowing you to start, stop, or schedule mowing tasks from anywhere. The top features of an automatic grass cutter. Now that we know how it works, let's look at the incredible features that make this device a must-have. Smart AI, navigation, and sensors. Obstacle detection. Avoids trees, rocks, pets, and garden decorations. Adaptive cutting adjusts blade speed and height based on terrain and grass type. Energy-efficient power systems. Solar panels. Some models use renewable energy for cost-effective operation. Rechargeable battery. Long-lasting power with automatic docking to recharge. High-performance cutting blades. Sharp, durable, and self-sharpening for clean and efficient grass cutting. Variable speed and blade height adjustment for different grass types. GPS tracking and boundary mapping. Ensures precise mowing with minimal supervision. Prevents overcutting or damaging crops and plants. Smart app connectivity. Remote control, start, stop, or adjust settings from your phone. Scheduling feature sets specific mowing times for automated cutting. Who can benefit from an automatic grass cutter? This technology isn't just for big farms, it's perfect for multiple users. Farmers maintain large fields efficiently. Landscapers achieve professional, well-manicured landscapes. Homeowners, keep your garden looking pristine with minimal effort. Golf course owners ensure a smooth, consistent playing surface. Park maintenance crews Manage large green spaces with ease. Whether you have a small backyard or a massive farm, there's a model out there for you. Top automatic grass cutters in the market. Here are some of the best automatic grass cutters available today. Husqvarna Automower 450X Premium AI-powered grass cutter with advanced mapping. Works Landroid M20 volts. Budget-friendly, great for medium-sized lawns. RoboMow RS630, heavy-duty mower with multi-zone capabilities. Ambrosio L250i Elite, high-tech robotic mower with voice command integration. Greenworks Optimo 50H eco-friendly solar-powered model. Each of these models offers unique features and benefits, so make sure to choose one that fits your needs. Why you need an automatic grass cutter today. Investing in an automatic grass cutter is a smart move for anyone looking to save time, cut costs, and improve efficiency in grass management. With AI technology, energy efficiency, and automation, this innovative device can completely transform how you maintain your land. Key takeaways: saves time and labor, eco-friendly and energy efficient, smart navigation with AI and GPS, remote control via app and automation. It's perfect for farms, gardens, and commercial landscaping. If you're ready to revolutionize your farming game, then an automatic grass cutter is the upgrade you need. Join the Tech Dream Gear community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment below with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe to Tech Dream Gear and hit the notification bell for more awesome tech updates. Have an automatic grass cutter? Let us know your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.